All right, we got a 2020 Salem right here. 2 bedrooms, 4 bunks, LED lighting, outdoor TV mount, 2 entry doors. This is a lot of trailer. But look at this. Fireplace, sofa sleeper, dinette sleeper, full residential style trailer. You get a closet, 4 bunks, private bedroom, LED lighting, pantry. Look at this, full-size fridge, huge bathroom in the midsection. Nice, actually really nice bathroom. Double wide. And then look at this private bedroom with a closet, with your own entry, exit door. Yes.